So let's now go to the next method of depreciation, which is the sinking fund method. If you're well aware and you recall, no, if you remember correctly, okay, the sinking fund method has already been mentioned in earlier discussion, specifically in the context of annuity. The sinking fund factor in there, no, is actually find A given F, no. Ibig sabihin, kung gagamitin natin siya dito sa method of depreciation, no, meron tayong future amount na pinag-iipunan, no? At kailangan nating hanapin yung amount na i-invest natin every year so that at the end of the period, no, or at the end of the economic life of a property, meron tayong ipapalit sa kanya, no? So yung definition niya, the sinking fund method is a technique for depreciating an asset while generating enough money to replace it at the end of its useful life. As the depreciation charges are incurred to reflect the asset's falling value, a matching amount of cash is invested, no? These funds sit in a sinking fund account and generate interest, and at the end of the tenure of those investments is the amount of replacement, no, na gagamitin natin to replace an asset. This method considers interest, no, as opposed to the previous method, which is the straight line method. So meaning, kung pasimplihin natin, ano, ang sinking fund method ay isang paraan ng pag-compute ng depreciation kung saan nagse-set aside ka, no, ng pera, ng certain amount of money every year para makabuo ka ng pondo na katumbas ng halaga nung asset pagdating ng kanyang useful life, no, para mapalitan siya. So parang ganito. So habang ginagamit mo ang equipment, hindi mo lang tinitingnan kung gaano ito nababawasan sa value. Sabay mo ring pinag-iipunan, no, yung halaga para eventually ma-replace or mapalitan ito. Okay? So, sa method na ito, ang depreciation expense or yung depreciation charge bawat taon ay hindi constant kasi naka-base ito sa interest earned, no, by the sinking fund. So, every year, syempre, naglalagay ka ng fixed deposit, no, which is yung sinking fund installment sa isang investment account na kumikita ng interest. So, sa dulo ng useful life nun, yung total fund, which is yung principal at yung interest, ay dapat equal sa cost, no? First cost minus salvage value ng asset. Okay? So, technically, yung depreciation dito sa method na to is the amount that you invest each year, and it's not actually the decrease in the assets book value directly, no? So, ano ba yung mga formula na kailangan rin consider nito? Kung titingnan yung formula, very similar siya sa annuity, no? Yun yung ano nga, yung A given F, no? Or is it A given F? Yeah, it's A given F, kabaliktaran, no? So, you have here the total depreciation, no, is equal to the depreciation charge, which is, no, dun sa annuity, yun yung A, yung D, no? So, this is 1 plus I raised to N minus 1 over I, no? So, kung gusto natin makuha yung book value, you just have to get the first cost minus the depreciation charge, no? So, on 3 ito, di 3 ang papalit mo dito sa R, no? So, anyway, here is the graph of that, no? So, yung FC dito, yung first cost, tapos yung decrease na in amount, no, ito, wait lang. Okay. So the decrease in amount per year, this one, no, is what we call the DN, no? So yan yan. Okay? And kumbaga pag tinotal yan, no, yan. Ito yung DN eh. So kung annuity yan, 'di ba? Ayan. Ayan. So hanggang sa mapunta tayo dito sa total, no? Or yung book value at any period, yun yung total depreciation, no? So pag napunta naman tayo sa dulo ng kanyang dulo ng kanyang economic life, no? Yung total depreciation naman na may subscript na N yung ating ibabawas dun sa first cost para makuha natin yung salvage value. Or consequently, pwedeng FC minus SV, yun yung total amount na mawawala do sa item. Which is, itong DN na to yung i-spread out natin over the years na gagamitin natin siya. So, I think mas madaling maintindihan, syempre, kung may example. Okay? By the way, yung sinking fund method ay wala siyang calculator technique, no? So, kailangan natin dito ma-familiarize with the anong tawag dito? Ma-familiarize tayo with the formula, no? We review our previous topics, okay? All right. So here are our sample problems, no? So we have here a broadcasting corporation purchased an equipment of 53,000 pesos and paid 1,500 for freight and delivery charges to the job site. The equipment has a normal life or an economic life of 10 years with a trade-in value of 5,000 against the purchase of a new equipment at the end of its life. Determine the annual depreciation cost by sinking fund method and consider interest at 6.5% compounded annually. Okay. So, malinaw sa atin, no, na yung kailangan natin kunin ay yung annual depreciation cost, no? So, ano nga ba yung annual depreciation cost, no? Yun din yung investment na kailangan natin set aside, no, para ma-recover natin yung ating equipment. Okay? So, sulat natin. Number 1, no? Yung hinahanap natin ay yung annual depreciation cost. So, yun yung small d. No? So, para mahanap yun, according sa formula, no, kailangan natin ng total depreciation, no? Since sa dulo naman yung hinahanap, di ba? Or hindi pala sa dulo. Pero meron tayong nakabigay na 1.5. Ayun, trade-in value. So, yun yung salvage value niya. No? So, we have dn is equal to small d, okay? 1 plus I raised to n minus 1 over I. So, kapag n yan, economic life, no? Yung end of economic life niya. Okay? So, what's the total depreciation charge? Kung titingnan natin, 53 and 1.5 ito, no? 53 plus 1.5. So, isasama ba natin yung freight and delivery charges, no? So, malamang sa malamang, kailangan nating isama yung 1.5 dahil kasama yun sa first cost, no? So, 54.5 ang ating 54,500 yung ating first cost, no? Kasama lahat ng charges dyan. Siyempre, less natin yung 5,000. Bakit? Diyan natin makuha yung kailangan natin pag-ipunan. So, kailangan natin pag-ipunan is 49,500 provided na hindi nagbago yung halaga niya kasi wala naman sinabi na replacement cost at same pa rin yung freight and delivery charges. At kung i-review natin, no? So, ito siya. So, pag transpose ko yung dn, diba? Ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon. So, BV, baliktad. So, FC, no, is equal to BV plus DN. So, paano ko makuha yung DN? Diba? Yung DN dyan is FC minus BV. Okay. Ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon. FC minus BV. So, 49,500 yung DN natin. Capital DN. Okay. Equals, small d. Yan yung hinahanap natin na annual depreciation cost. So, 1 plus, since naka-annual naman na yan, yung interest, no need to convert. Tapos, ilan yung ilalagay natin sa n? Ilalagay natin dyan, 10 years. Kasi yun yung economic life ng ating equipment. Okay. So, sa mga tweed, no? Shift solve tayo dito, no? So, we have 1 plus 6.5% raised to 10, no? Minus 1 over 6.5%. Okay. So, press shift solve, no? So, the depreciation charge or annual depreciation cost is calculated to be 3,668.18. No? So, this is the amount that you need to set aside, okay, for you to afford replacement of the equipment. At this is for the for the computational method. Meron din tayo ditong or wala tayo ditong calculator technique, as I mentioned. Okay. So for the second problem, we have a dump truck was bought at 300,000. Okay, yan na yung niya, first cost niya kagad, no? Tapos 30,000 yan. Okay. Book value niya yan, no? At certain years, no? So na-mention naman dyan na 6 years. So number 2, ang pinapakuha sa atin, determine the present value, okay, of the dump truck if the depreciation method used is sinking fund at 6%. So, simple lang, no? Pinapakuha sa atin, present value. Gagamit lang talaga tayo dito ng annuity. No? So, kung 300,000 ang first cost niya, para ma-replace natin yung halaga ng dump truck, no? So, ang gagawin natin, okay, siguro kung ipapaliwanag muna, yung number 1, no? Ang ibig sabihin lang nito sa 3668.18 is that this is the amount that we need to invest for 10 years, no, para makuha natin yung 49,500 para ma-replace natin yung equipment. Same thing lang yung gagawin natin dito sa number 2. No? Ang una muna natin gagawin is kunin muna natin yung kanyang annual depreciation charge, no, or annual depreciation cost. No? After nun, kunin natin yung present value ng lahat ng yun. Although, I understand na pwede naman natin kunin na. No? Pero for the purpose lang ng discussion. Okay? So, for letter A, find natin yung D pa rin niya. No? So, as mentioned, DN natin, that is 300,000. No? 300,000. Okay? Minus 30,000. Okay? Is equal to D. 1 plus 6%, no? Raised to 6 years minus 1 over 6%. Okay? So, shift solve ulit ang problem natin. No? 270,000 equals variable 1 plus 0.06 raised to 6 minus 1 over 0.06. Okay. So, yung annual depreciation charge ay 38,000. Okay, 38,707.91. No? So, yan ay kung tinatanong ang annual depreciation cost. No? So, how about if sasagutin na natin yung gusto niyang malaman? What is the present value? No? So, if you're given already with the annual charge, no, you're finding P, di ba yun yung find P given A. No? So, anong formula doon sa sinking fund? No? Yung formula doon sa sinking fund is P or sa annuity is equal to A, no? Quantity 1 plus I raised to N minus 1 over 1 plus I raised to N times I. Diba? Same thing na gagamitin natin dito. So, yung A natin dito ay si D lamang. No? 38,707.91 is equal to, or sorry, multiplied by, okay, 1 plus 6% raised to, ilan yan, no? 6 years. Minus 1 over, copy lang natin, 1 plus 6% raised to 6 times 6%. Okay. So, ito yan. 38,707.91 multiplied by 1 plus 0.06 raised to 6 minus 1. 1 plus 0.06 raised to 6 times 0.06. Alright. So, equals, ayan, 190,339, no, 0.35. Okay. So, and that is our final answer. Yan yung present cost ng lahat ng depreciation, annual depreciation cost ng ating equipment. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? No? Wait lang. So, 190 339.35. Ang ibig sabihin nito, no, kumbaga, kung ayaw mong maghulog every year ng halagang 38,707.91, then you can choose to invest 19339.35 now, no, at a fund with a 6% interest rate para sa dulo ng 6 years, may pampalit ka doon sa dump truck na binili mo na 270,000. Provided bibenta mo yung naunang dump truck, no? Magkakaroon ka ng 30K na extra cash. Kumbaga, 220, yung 19339, no, pag yan ay pinabaya mo for 6 years, magiging yan 270,000. So, may 30,000 ka doon sa pagbibenta, may 300,000 ka ngayon, di ba? Pambili mo yan ng bagong dump truck. So, ganun lang, no? Pero ang pinaka-final answer lang dito, kung tutuusin, ay yung 190,339. No? That answers the problem. Final answer. Okay? As I mentioned, there's no calculator technique for sinking fund method.